Hi, welcome to SmatBot. In this video, we will see how to integrate Google Sheets with SmatBot.
To integrate Google Sheets with your bot, select Triggers, click CRMs and choose Google Sheets. Now, connect your Gmail account. Allow all the settings and continue. To store the questions in Google Sheets, click Continue. You can copy or open the sheet URL. Click Continue to see all the fields submitted in the Google Sheet. Name your sheet integration. Provide conditions for the integration and save. You can test your integration. Now, the Google Sheet has been updated with the leads in those selected fields. Or you can finish the setup. Great! You have learned to integrate Google Sheet.